All right, guys, got the new dishwasher in. I'm not sure if I told you that our other dishwasher had some kind of leak and we decided to buy a new one. It was time. Upgrade here. Went ahead and got a Bosch unit. This is an 800 series with a pocket handle. I'm going to install this. Probably will do most of this off camera just because of time. Really limited on time to get this in. Super busy and just need to get it done. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. All right, so here's the dishwasher unboxed, and got a black one, and it's stainless steel inside. I'll show you the inside here. It's nice. So it should last for many, many years. Just one thing on these Bosch units, they come standard now with a hardwire kit. I'm not going to use that. I'm actually going to use just an AC cord, the Bosch version of the AC cord, because I have a dedicated 20 amp outlet for the dishwasher. That's going to save some time right there. It's what we had in the previous setup. Before we had a Frigidaire, and now we've upgraded to Bosch. This is definitely an upgrade here. Got my inlet line here, stainless steel, 3/8 compression, and Bosch dishwashers have a 3/4 inch hose to 3/8, so I have the adapter there. It was like maybe $12 with the adapter and the hose, 5-footer, 12 bucks or something on Amazon. Super cheap to do. And then here is the alternative to using the hardwire kit. It's using this kit here, designed for Bosch dishwashers, terminates with the standard 120 plug. So we'll be using this instead of the hardwire kit because my dishwasher is set up for this, not to be hardwired. All right, so I got all my connections made here. So everything goes through a loop here to secure all my cords, power, outlet, and inlet. All we need to do now is just drag it back, run the cables through the cabinet, level it, and secure it. Here's the opening for our dishwasher, and you can see that the finished floor is about 5 or 6 inches short from the wall, and that's going to pose a problem for a dishwasher because the center of the dishwasher needs to be against the wall where it levels in the back. So I'm going to go ahead here and level out that floor with some finished plywood just to make things even. Now there's only 1 foot that needs to be leveled in the center of the dishwasher in the back, so it just requires a small piece of plywood to be cut out and be placed in the back of the opening for the dishwasher. Here we have a finished piece of 3/4 inch plywood that will fit perfectly in the opening. So I went ahead and did the rest of the install off camera. I just slid the dishwasher in, leveled all the feet, and made sure all the connections were good and there were no leaks. So I have to say this dishwasher install was pretty easy to do. It looks great and we're super pleased with the results. We're finding that we can get a ton of dishes in here. It's really versatile as far as loading dishes and moving racks around and so forth. And it's hands down way more quiet than our previous dishwasher. I can't stress enough how quiet this thing is. It's really amazing. There's certainly a lot of options here and settings for doing your dishes, and we're also really liking the complete recessed nature of this dishwasher. Just a red LED light on the bottom of the floor to indicate whether it's running or not. We really like that feature. Essentially turn it on, set it, and forget it. Alright, so thanks for checking out this video here. This was a real pleasure to install this dishwasher. Looking forward to many years of good use from this unit. Glad we bought a Bosch. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Have a great day.